Dive into home fish farming. Fresh food, right at home. Imagine a world where you can step out into your backyard and harvest fresh fish for your dinner table. This isn't a distant dream or a fantasy. It's a reality that you can create right at home. Home fish farming is an innovative and sustainable way to ensure that you and your family have access to the freshest, healthiest fish possible, all without ever needing to leave your property. Imagine stepping out your back door and harvesting fresh fish for dinner. The convenience and satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food comes from is unparalleled. You can see the entire process, from feeding the fish to catching them, ensuring that they are raised in the best possible conditions. Home fish farming makes this a reality. It's not just about having fresh fish, it's about creating a sustainable ecosystem in your own backyard. You can control the environment, the feed, and the care that your fish receive, leading to healthier and more nutritious food for your family. No more trips to the supermarket, just delicious, healthy fish raised right in your backyard. Imagine the time and money you'll save, not to mention the peace of mind that comes from knowing your food is free from harmful chemicals and antibiotics often found in store-bought fish. Beyond fresh food, fish farming offers a world of benefits. It's an educational experience for children and adults alike, teaching responsibility, biology, and the importance of sustainable living. It's a hobby that can bring the whole family together, creating lasting memories and a deeper connection to nature. It's a sustainable way to put food on the table, reducing your carbon footprint. By using renewable energy sources like solar panels, you can make your fish farming operation even more eco-friendly. This not only benefits your family, but also contributes to the health of our planet. Plus, tending to your fish can be incredibly therapeutic, connecting you with nature's rhythm. The simple act of feeding your fish and watching them swim can be a calming and meditative experience, providing a welcome escape from the stresses of daily life. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy balcony, there's a fish farming setup perfect for you. From small tanks that fit on a balcony to larger ponds that can support a variety of fish, the options are endless. You can start small and expand as you become more comfortable with the process. From small, self-contained systems to larger ponds teeming with life, the possibilities are endless. You can even integrate aquaponics, where fish and plants grow together in a symbiotic environment, providing both fresh fish and vegetables. So why not dive into the world of home fish farming? It's a rewarding experience that combines fresh, sustainable living with the joy of raising your own food. The sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you catch your first fish or see your plants thriving is unmatched. It's a rewarding experience that combines fresh, sustainable living with the joy of raising your own food. Let's get started. Whether you're a seasoned gardener looking to expand your horizons or a complete novice, home fish farming is an adventure worth embarking on. With a little effort and dedication, you'll be enjoying fresh, home-raised fish in no time. So, gather your family, roll up your sleeves, and dive into the wonderful world of home fish farming today. Gearing up, your fish farming starter kit. Starting a fish farm can be an exciting and rewarding venture, but it requires the right tools and knowledge to get started. In this chapter, we'll walk you through the essential items you'll need to kickstart your fish farming journey. Ready to embark on your fish farming adventure? Let's gather the essentials. From tanks to filtration systems, and from fish food to water testing kits, each component plays a crucial role in ensuring the health and productivity of your fish farm. First things first, you'll need a tank or pond. The choice between a tank and a pond depends on your available space, budget, and the type of fish you plan to raise. Tanks are more manageable for beginners, while ponds can accommodate larger fish populations. For beginners, a small to medium-sized tank is perfect. These tanks are easier to maintain and allow you to closely monitor your fish. They also require less water and space compared to larger setups, making them ideal for those just starting out. Consider your space and the type of fish you want to raise. Different fish species have varying space and environmental needs. For instance, some fish thrive in smaller tanks, while others need more room to grow and swim. Research the specific requirements of the fish you plan to farm. Next up, a good filtration system is crucial for keeping the water clean and your fish healthy. Filtration systems help remove waste, toxins, and excess food from the water, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for your fish. There are various types of filtration systems available, including mechanical, biological, and chemical filters. Choose one that suits your tank size and fish type. Tilapia and catfish are great choices for beginners, known for their hardiness and delicious taste. These fish are relatively easy to care for and can adapt to a range of water conditions. Tilapia, for example, are fast-growing and can be harvested within a few months, while catfish are known for their resilience and ability to thrive in various environments. When selecting your fish, ensure they're healthy and vibrant. Look for fish that are active, have clear eyes, and show no signs of disease or stress. Healthy fish are more likely to thrive and grow, leading to a successful fish farming operation. Finally, stock up on fish food and water testing kits. Proper nutrition is essential for the growth and health of your fish. Choose high-quality fish food that meets the dietary needs of your specific fish species. Water testing kits are equally important, as they help you monitor the water quality and ensure it remains within the optimal range for your fish. These tools will help you monitor your fish's health and water quality. Regularly testing the water for parameters such as pH, ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels will help you maintain a healthy environment for your fish. Feeding your fish the right amount of food at regular intervals will also promote their growth and well-being. Remember, a well-prepared fish farmer is a successful one. By investing in the right equipment and taking the time to learn about the needs of your fish, you'll be well on your way to a thriving fish farm. Happy farming! Crystal clear waters. Maintaining a healthy fish habitat. A well-maintained fish habitat is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a thriving environment for your aquatic friends. The clarity of the water is the first indicator of a healthy tank. Clear water signifies that the tank is free from harmful toxins and waste, providing a safe space for your fish to live and grow. Maintaining pristine water quality is paramount to successful fish farming. It's essential to understand that fish are highly sensitive to their environment. Any imbalance in water quality can lead to stress, disease, and even death. Regular monitoring and maintenance are crucial to ensure that the water remains clean and healthy. Think of it as providing a 5-star hotel for your finned friends. Just as we enjoy clean, comfortable surroundings, fish too thrive in a well-maintained habitat. A luxurious setup with vibrant plants, clean gravel, and clear water not only looks beautiful, but also promotes the well-being of your fish. Regular water changes are a must. Over time, waste products, uneaten food, and other debris accumulate in the tank, leading to poor water quality. By performing regular water changes, you can remove these harmful substances and keep the water fresh and clean. Remove a portion of the water weekly and replace it with fresh, dechlorinated water. This process helps to dilute any toxins that may have built up and replenishes essential minerals and nutrients that are vital for the health of your fish. This helps remove excess nutrients and waste. A good filtration system is also essential in maintaining water quality. Filters work by trapping debris and breaking down harmful chemicals, ensuring that the water remains clean and safe for your fish. Aeration is another key factor. Proper aeration ensures that there is enough oxygen in the water for your fish to breathe. Without adequate oxygen, fish can become stressed and more susceptible to disease. Just like us, fish need oxygen to thrive. In a well-aerated tank, fish are more active and display vibrant colors, indicating good health. Aeration also helps to circulate the water, preventing stagnation and promoting a healthy environment. An air pump or bubbler will keep the water oxygenated and your fish happy. These devices create bubbles that increase the surface area of the water, allowing more oxygen to dissolve and be available for your fish. Lastly, monitor the water temperature. Fish are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature is regulated by the surrounding water. Sudden changes in temperature can cause stress and weaken their immune system. Different fish species prefer different temperatures. Research the specific needs of your fish to ensure that you are providing the optimal conditions for them. Some fish thrive in cooler waters, while others prefer warmer temperatures. A simple aquarium thermometer can help you maintain the ideal temperature for your fish to flourish. Regularly check the temperature and make adjustments as needed. An aquarium heater can help maintain a consistent temperature, especially in colder climates. By paying attention to these details, you can create a healthy and thriving habitat for your fish. Feeding time, organic delights for your finned friends. Feeding time is always a treat in fish farming, but forget those processed pellets. Let's treat our fish to an organic feast. Compost is a fish farmer's best friend. Add a compost bin to your setup and watch as it transforms kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer for your fish. Worms are another excellent source of protein. Create a worm composting system and your fish will go wild for these wriggly treats. Remember, variety is key. Supplement their diet with duckweed, mosquito larvae, or even leftover vegetables from your garden. Happy fish, happy farmer.